Okay.
My name is Michael Edel Jr. B. Sati Blackboard, July 16, 2026. A modern institution will fully develop academic, technical, vocational education, and skill of manpower with positive work attitude anchored in the core values, leadership, and professional essential in the creation of self-reliant citizens. How to build well-trained, competent, and employable professionals who will meet the demand and who will meet the demand of the local and international workplaces. The MC aims at evolving a whole individual as a child of God and a member of democratic society who is professional, competent, that can provide leadership and advisory will train in a certain vocation not only to help himself but to help others. And practicality is possible and obedience to the laws of God and to the laws of government. Team C adheres to the philosophy that education is life and growth, guided by faith in God and love of the fellow man and an environment, competitiveness, professionalism, and excellence. Team C is committed to the public educational services si Kantonan. Slita dong.